1.
In this course, you will be using different technology in the course. So I'm going to be going through each of the different types that we will be using. So the first one is screencast, actually Desire to Learn. So Desire to Learn is a learning management system. And with this learning management system, you will be using it to discuss different strands and ideas with your the other classmates in your class, and you will also be using it basically to get access to your course material. And if you have any questions, you would be asking questions using this learning management system. And in addition, you'll be submitting your work through Desire to Learn. Now, it's very important that we share our work and our knowledge and our resources, and we're going to be using a Google Plus community to share our resources. And I encourage everybody to be actively involved. I'll be providing feedback to what you submit. The other thing is, just like what I'm doing now, we're going to be doing screencasts in this course. And the software you're going to be using is called Screencastify. And basically, what the software does is it lets you record your screen and also records your voice at the same time. So basically, you're presenting a topic and it will be recording the screen and your voice. Finally, and most importantly, you'll be using G Suite for Education, and that includes Google Apps, which used to be called Google Apps. You'll be using Google Drive to store your information. You'll be using a G Apps account for email. You also will, there's also a calendar function, which I will be putting important dates on. For calculations in this course, you'll be using spreadsheets, Google Sheets, Google Docs to which you will be typing and then submitting your work. And what's really good with all these, this G Suite for Education is that you're able to collaborate with the other students. Now, the one we're going to be using the most, besides Google Docs, will be the Google one for presentations, and so you'll be using this to basically do a lot of the assignments, and that's called Google Slides. The last one is which is important is like when you're doing surveys. If I ask you to do surveys, or when you create surveys to collect data, you would use Google Forms. So the last thing is it's very important for you to be able to create websites, and you're going to be using a application called Google Sites to create websites. And the new Google Sites is very intuitive and very easy to use. And so that concludes my presentation about the technology that we will be using in this course.